I'm ahead of time. I'm going all out.
Good morning, YouTube. It's your girl Nami, and I'm back again with another video. But today's video, I'm taking you guys with me to get my hair done. Gonna be looking like a bed. That word, yeah. Here are the bundles from Amazon. They're called Trippy, that's the brand. And this is how they look after washing them. They still give me, so we're gonna see what they give after I get it done. It's a bit cool outside, but yeah. Cause why I'm a bad bitch with my hair not done. Okay guys, I made it to my hair appointment. It's only 9:28, so I'm gonna wait in the car for a second before I go in. But yeah, stay tuned. Y'all say hey to Mez. He finna slay my hair. Oh, it's laid already. Period. Mez did his thing, y'all. If you in Wilmington, North Carolina, make sure you booking. If you're in surrounding areas, make sure you booking. Up to Mez.
See y'all later.
And we out.